Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White, with recreation that results in joy. June 19th. We choose to please God in all we do. But let all those that put their trust in Thee rejoice. Let them ever shout for joy, because Thou defendest them. Let them also that love Thy name be joyful in Thee. Psalm chapter 5 verse 11. The enemy of all righteousness has every kind of pleasure prepared for the youth in all conditions of life, and they are not presented alone in crowded cities, but in every spot inhabited by human beings. Satan loves to secure the youth in his ranks as soldiers. The arch-fiend well knows with what material he has to deal, and he has displayed his infernal wisdom in devising customs and pleasures for the youth, which will separate their affections from Jesus Christ. The various amusements of society have been the ruin of thousands and tens of thousands who, had it not been for these attractions, would have been obedient children, respectful to their parents, upright, pure, and noble in their pursuits and in their characters. Should Christ come among the assembly who were absorbed in their play and frivolous amusements, would the solemn melody of his voice be heard in the benediction, saying, "Peace be to this house"? How would the Saviour of the world enjoy these scenes of gaiety and folly? Pride and ambition are never satisfied, but those who are truly wise will find substantial and elevating pleasure in the sources of enjoyment that God placed within the reaches of all. It is the privilege and duty of Christians to seek to refresh their spirit and invigorate their bodies by innocent recreation, with the purpose of using their physical and mental powers to the glory of God. Our recreation should not be scenes of senseless mirth, taking the form of the nonsensical. We can conduct them in such a manner as will benefit and elevate those whom we associate, and better qualify us and them to more successfully attend to the duties devolving upon us as Christians. The religion of Christ is cheering and elevating in its influences. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.